Hello Nigerians, I bring you greeting from Revobit International. My name is Mr. Stanley Love. Revobit International is at it again. Come December 2021, Revobit International will be giving out a card to all its distributors. You heard me right, a brand new card to all its distributors. Being a old member or a new member, all you need to do is to shop with us with any of our packages. You can go home with a brand new car. We have 4 packages. We have the starter pack. The starter pack is 28,000 naira. You get 1 ticket for yourself. We have the bronze package, which is 48,000 naira. You get 2 tickets for yourself. We have the silver package, which is 240,000 naira. You get 10 tickets for yourself. We have the highest package, which is the gold package, 480,000 naira. You get 20 tickets for yourself. The higher you shop, the more tickets you get for yourself. Congratulations, I know definitely you become a brand new card owner. See you at the top. That is where you belong. Wow, amazingly, cars are dropping already. You can see for yourself. Revobit International, we say, be part of the world revolution.